Not too much of a video maker, but I'm gonna go ahead and be trying this to see how it goes. This is a new carburetor for this one. Carburetor that was in this one is no good. How do I know? Well, this is a new one. On the old one, there is a small clip or insert right there. On the other one, it's messed up. It's like over exaggerated. So I had to order another one online because some people don't like to spend so much money. Came out pretty cheap. I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Okay, carburetor's on, the new one. Remember I told you that the old carburetor, the insert where the cables go, or the springs, was messed up. Well, look at this one. This is the one that was original to it, so called. Look at that. Okay. Wide open. So that little bar would just be going back and forth on it and making it. Sorry the way I'm saying it, but yeah. So, no good. Right here. New carburetor. New petcock. Fuel. See how it happens in a little bit. Be back.